For the second road trip in the Dutch mountains, we have some 140 kilometers, 85 miles of very nice riding for you to do. We will bring you to the highest point of the Netherlands, where we will have a break, and again bring you into Belgium. And also Germany is going to be very close, all in one day. And be sure to have a gap to fill at lunchtime, because we bring you to a stop that you don't want to miss. And we will be ending this road trip with a perfect view. So, are you ready? We are now on the highest point in the Netherlands, 322.5 meters, and that's 1,058 feet. But this is also the point where 3 countries come together. So this is het Drielandenpunt, the point where 3 countries come together: the Netherlands, Germany and Belgium. It used to be the point where 4 countries came together. The 4th country being Moresnet. That country wanted to reach world peace. And luckily, that dream was crushed during World War I. With a kiosk and this little bar and terrace for a drink or a snack, it is a proper crazy ride stop. Stretch your legs, have a drink, have a bite. The highest you can get in the Netherlands! Welcome to the Zoete Aardbei, the sweet strawberry. It is a strawberry farm, and as they say, they make everything from and with strawberries. Juice, jam, dressing, sauce, chocolates, cakes, and even strawberry secco, wine from strawberries. Of course, you can buy all these strawberry products in the shop, but you can also enjoy your lunch here at the brasserie. And don't worry, if you don't like strawberries, they have some other dishes on their menu. If you want to make sure there's a table for you ready when you come here, make sure to book it in advance via the link that we will share with you. We are ending this road trip at another accommodation that we've highlighted for you, Kasteel Schalloen. Beside rooms and holiday homes, it has its brasserie where you can have a drink after riding all those winding roads. The original castle dates back to the 1200s, but this is what a castle should look like. We hope you have enjoyed this road trip and all the places that we brought you to, and that you will enjoy riding the road trip yourself. Have fun and maybe see you on another crazy ride. If you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel if you don't want to miss our future videos on crazy rides. And we also have tours in other countries, such as Spain. We have a Kingdom of Navarra tour in the area of Pamplona, and you can watch part 1 in the middle of your screen.